Hello everybody, how's it going? Today I'll teaching you how to add business location on Instagram. So the first thing you need to do, and that is very important, is to make sure your Google Map apps and the Instagram app on your cell phone was updated, okay? So the first step is very simple, just open your Google Maps and select the location of your business, okay? For example, I will select that one here just for the video, okay, just for the example. And after you select the place in your Google Maps, you need to swipe to the right. Right here you see the option share, so just click here, okay? And after that you see the option copy to clipboard, okay? So just tap here, and after that basically you copy the link of that place in the Google Maps, okay? Now in your Instagram profile, all you need to do is clicking add profile, okay? And after that you see some options right here. But if you scroll down, you see the option add link, so just click here. After that, you click in the first option to add external link. After that, you need to put the URL and the title, okay? So you put the title of your business, and after that, you just paste the URL right here, okay? After that, you click in done in the top and right side of your screen in the corner, and that's it, okay? Now you have the link of the location of your business in your Instagram profile. So I hope I can help with this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. See ya!